Welcome to Road to Tomb Raider. I have a Lara Croft cosplay that I need to get done, and the movie comes out in a week, and I completely forgot that it was coming out. But now we gotta get on our Tomb Raider hype. So we gotta make the cosplay. So you're wondering, why do I have chip tubes? We're gonna turn that into the quiver, so it's gonna be behind my back like this. I know it's a bit weird, but I saw it on YouTube, and I think I can do this. I should know by now that I can't do this. Just cut that. So now that I have it cut like that, I need to duct tape it. So let me get the duct tape. Now I've done a cosplay before, which is my Finn cosplay. If you want to see more pics about that, go to my Instagram. This is actually like making stuff from scratch. So, fingers crossed. Ew, this duct tape smells weird. That smells like chemicals. Like straight up chemicals. I tried, well I didn't make a good effort, but I did try it to make it as flat as I could. But anyway, this is the survivor look. So it's very rugged. So I'm taking the thick sticks and I'm gonna be making this into the bow. So, where's my string? I need to tie the string to one end. The reason why I decided to make this type of bow is because this one goes for like the survivor look, like I mentioned before. Like, you know, you scavenge this. Oh my god, look, I'm looking at myself in the camera. This looks good. While the hot glue is still warming up, I'm gonna make the arrows. Okay, I'm not gonna cut them in half just as yet, but I will pick out which feathers I want. Whee! Get out. Get out. They're authentic feathers. I plucked them off and buried them myself. No, I'm kidding. Beauty guru style. Wait, that wasn't even English. Beauty guru style. Now, it doesn't really matter how many arrows I make, because I'm not gonna actually, ow! I'm not gonna actually like physically use them. Ow, this glue is really hot. According to the video that I saw, I'm going to need two. Hot glue and then roll, and then hot glue and then roll, and then hot glue and then roll. And I just need to just hot. I like grazed my finger and I thought I got the hot glue on it. I was ready to scream. Feel like that's it. Obviously I'm gonna need to add more glue, but I'm gonna cut off this right here. Goodbye. You know what sucks about deciding to make a Lara Croft cosplay? Is that all my Tomb Raider friends are online, so I don't have anyone to be like, hey, what'd you do? I need another glue stick. Yo, I'm lucky I got stacks on stacks on stacks of glue sticks, because if I ran out, I would just stop. I'll be like, hey, I guess it's not happening. Now, if you do cosplay professionally, or even any level above mine, which is the amateurs of amateurs, please, please don't roast me. Okay, I'm trying to do my best. That's what they taught me in school. Always do your best. But, I mean, that hasn't got me anywhere in life. And also, what sucks about doing a Tomb Raider cosplay is that I eventually, no, don't come apart, everything. Is that I eventually want to do her Rise of the Tomb Raider look. But that looks a bit more professional than being stranded on an island and scavenging around. So if this looks bad, I can, you know, lie and say, oh, I just got dessert on an island, so I'm just, you know, using what I can. Opposed to Rise of the Tomb Raider, where she's actually prepared. Now I just need to keep hot gluing and pray that it just sticks. Need another glue stick. Now I would ask you guys to subscribe, but I think I need glue sticks more, so if you got glue sticks, send them to me. Ooh. Okay, let me get up. Oh, I feel so old. We got this. Oh my gosh, look! This looks, well, to me it looks amazing. This looks great. All right, now, where's my belt? It said that we're gonna add it to like the top part here, and then also the bottom part. The way I'm hunched over, I probably look like the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Look at me, I'm Lara Croft. But I can't grab the arrows like she can. Take it off and then, oh, where's my bow? And insert Tomb Raider music. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's my video, and stay tuned next time because that's when I'm gonna actually make her clothes look dirty and bloody and oh god, this is sounding dirty, but if you played the video games and you know Lara Croft, you know what I mean. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Will this shoot? Oh my god, let me see if this will shoot. I'm not gonna shoot at cons though. Okay, let me see if this will work. It doesn't work, but thank you for watching. Bye. My best friend and I, when we get bored in high school, we would picture people bald. Look at him for 5 seconds, look at each other, and bust out